Hello everyone, it's Sven back again, your favorite member from TechVids for Tech Kids, and I know that some of you still have the OnePlus One, maybe almost 4 years old, but I know you love it. So today we'll be looking at how we can replace the battery in this, as the battery is fading after 4 years, and we have an external battery right here. So now let's open this baby up.
I'll be chasing colors.
In front of us we have the OnePlus One, and the first thing we want to do is take off the back cover. So the first thing you have to do, without any mistakes, you have to grab a SIM removal tool, put it in here, take out the SIM card, take that out, and now we can proceed to taking off the whole back. And you want to have a special tool for it, or you can use a credit card, but I advise using something like this, and then you just put it in to the side and then just start scraping the side off. It may be quite hard at first, but it really shouldn't be that hard. Once you have that done, I'm going to make sure that it's on every side. My side is a bit cracked from previous usage, but yours shouldn't be. You can always purchase new backs for the phone. Wooden ones are also available at the store, which is very nice. And I'm having a bit of trouble here. There we go. Now it should come off, maybe not. So yeah, this will take a while, but once you get it done, try not to crack it. There we go. Can we take it off yet? Yes, we can. So now we get to the back of the phone, and this is where the next step begins. So now that we have the back, we have to grab ourselves a small screwdriver, and yeah, we have to begin with the process of removing this. And maybe not on my phone, but on some of the phones, one of these screws has a white cover on them, and once that white cover is removed, that means your warranty is removed. I've already opened the back cover and probably scraped off the white sticker before on one of these screws, but just remember that if you still have a prolonged warranty, longer than those 4 years, if you're removing the battery by yourself, not using an official OnePlus thing, then you are prone to losing your warranty. And this one, it doesn't want to come out. That is very weird. Okay, I'll pause the video, get this one out, and then proceed again. Okay, so this is the device we're working on. I was not able to remove this screw, so I'll show it on another OnePlus One device. Right here. So here we have all the screws removed, and now, how you see, we have little 3 dots here, which contain, if you remove them, 3 more screws that you have to remove before you can take out the cover completely. So let me do that. This will be hard. You may damage a bit of the plastic around it, but it's just gummy and it's not a big deal. Okay, let me take these out again. OnePlus didn't really design it for people to take it out themselves, so it's something we have to deal with. As you can notice, this phone is cracked on the front side, not like the other one, which is why we're working on this right now. Which is why I have 2 instances of this device. Once we'll be able to get this out, we can proceed. So this will be after the next cut. Okay, so now that we took this off, we can now take a screwdriver or anything and take out this part. Just pull it out. Watch out, it's plastic, it's hard plastic, but we don't want to rush things. So here we took this off. And now we got to the back of the phone, which is very nice. And what you want to do is you want to take your SIM card ejection tool again, get it from the left side, take it back. There's adhesive glue keeping the battery stuck to the back. So what you want to do is get this out, and then from the side, and then when it pops up, like so, grab it, try and get this out here, and then just pull it. The pin ejector should come out by itself. Ooh. This time it didn't. I just want to pull this out, and now we have the battery taken out. So what you want to do now is take your new battery, in this case this battery, put it back in again, screw everything on again, and then put on a back cover, and you are good to go. So this was just a short video of how to remove your battery, and to replace it, it's pretty much the same procedure, just the other way around. Okay, thanks for watching.